In this example, the objective of the rule is to generate an alert for any fallback transaction, i.e. where the actual transaction is a magnetic stripe transaction, however both the card and the POS device are chip enabled. The premise is, fraudsters typically attempt to use a counterfeited card with a mag stripe at the chip terminal by requesting that the merchant attempts a fallback transaction. In order to generate such alerts, a case creation rule is required. First, click on the Rules Admin tab. Select Case Creation from the Rules Type drop-down menu. Then click on Create New Rule. Then give this rule a name, for instance, Chip Fallback. Then give a meaningful description. To alert at any chip fallback transaction, that is, magstripe transaction, occur on a chip card with a chip-enabled terminal. Now add a definition. This will take you to the Rule Definition Edit Criteria page. To identify chip fallback transactions, select POS Entry Mode from the Parameters drop-down menu. For operator, select IN and 0, 2 and 90 for magnetic stripe transactions as the values. Then click on Add. Next, select Terminal Capability from the Parameter menu. For operator, select equals to and 05 chip capable terminal as the value. Then click on Add. The parameters to ensure that only chip cards are monitored now needs to be set. Select Service Code as the parameter. For operator, select IN and 201 and 602 as the values. Then click on Add and Update. Please note, if all your products are EMV, the service code is not needed. Otherwise, you may need to include service codes of your EMV products. We have now completed the rule criteria definitions and so can proceed to selecting the processing options. Select Create Case as the action and Always as the time frame. Now, this case creation rule has been created, as we can see in this rules definition page. Please always test your rule, assess the result and activate the rule only after you have determined that the rule meets your objective. Rule activation will follow a batch cycle, where activation takes place every 15 minutes from the top of the hour.